Hello YouTube. Today I want to talk a little bit about Windows 8 and Microsoft and why I think they kind of purposefully, on purpose, abandoned the PC market with Windows 8 and their reasoning behind that and why I think it's probably going to bite them in the butt. Uh, a lot of people, pretty much everyone agrees, well not everyone, but a lot of people agree that Windows 8 as a PC desktop, normal desktop operating system is absolutely atrocious. Um, it's not even Windows. It's a tablet operating system like you would have on the iPad, but they just port it over to the PC, and it is a nightmare. There's no start button. To get to any of the apps, you have to go through the Metro interface, and it is just awful. Um, the reason I think Microsoft did this is not because they don't understand that it's awful. I think they understand that for a desktop it is very unintuitive. I think that Microsoft is just looking at the trends. They're seeing iPad sales take off. Sorry about that. Got a text message. I'm filming this on my iPhone while I wait for my camera to get here. And also, excuse the mess. I'm in the process of moving. Should be moved out in a week or so. Where was I? Right. Microsoft is looking at iPad sales going up and desktop computer sales going down, and they see that if the trend continues, that they're going to be out of business real fast. Well, Microsoft's got plenty of money; they're not going to go out of business, but their bottom line is going to get hurt. So I think what they're trying to do to offset iPad sales is they're trying to use their established, all their Windows users. They're trying to force them to abandon the regular PC even faster and force them to go, okay, well, Windows 8 that I have here sucks on a laptop or desktop, but I'm still a Windows guy, so let me go get a tablet. Let me go pay $800 for the latest Lenovo Windows tablet, and then all of a sudden, you know, Windows 8 tablets are outselling iPads. That's their hope. I think that's what they're trying to do, and I don't think that's going to happen. I think a lot of people enjoy having a desktop, or at least a laptop that they can do work on. I mean, because yeah, I have, it's not an iPad, but I got my Nexus here, so, I'm a little bit of a tablet guy, and this thing is great for sitting on the couch and doing, watching YouTube videos, but as far as really anything else, you need a mouse and a keyboard. A mouse and a keyboard is one of those things that it's hard to beat. It really is. Even touchscreens, I don't think they can compete. I saw a video earlier of there was like a Minority Report type thing where the person was just there at a camera and it was like Connect and they were just moving their hands and it was controlling the computer, something like that. Even that probably I don't think will replace the mouse and the keyboard. It's just it's precision. And the other thing that people don't think about is even if you have a PC, a desktop with a touchscreen that like they're making now, do you want to sit here and hold your arms out for hours? God, some days I spend 5, 6, 7 hours on the computer doing things. I don't want to sit here and do this for, you know, that many hours. And people that have to work 8 hours on a computer at their job, it's a nightmare. So I'm going to be purchasing some copies of Windows 7 here pretty soon before the licenses all run out or they get taken off the shelves at Best Buy. So, because I want nothing to do with Windows 8. I really don't, unless they magically fix it before it gets released. But I've already seen videos of the full release version, and it is god awful. And I'm sure I'm probably going to get a lot of dislikes on this video because surprisingly, there are some people out there that are like, Windows, Microsoft, they can't do any wrong. I mean, I'm used to it when I talk crap about Apple products, but yeah, Windows 8, what a nightmare. Let's see, what else, Kind of clarify. If you People have said that Microsoft is seeing trends about people not using the start button for to get launch applications as much as they used to. I still personally wouldn't get rid of it, but if you want to make an argument for there's something they have a better way of doing that, okay, I'm not that adverse to change. But when you make me use what is clearly some goofy looking weird Windows Phone 7 a tablet operating system, and I mean you can't even deny that it's a tablet operating system, and you made me use it on a desktop. No sir, we got problems, and I just don't know. I mean, I know what they were thinking. They were thinking they were going to force people to buy Windows tablets, and I don't think it's going to happen. I think people are going to go, well, I guess I'm switching to Linux for my desktop, and I'm still going to go buy an iPad. I think that's going to be the end result. And I think a lot of people that aren't very computer savvy are going to go to Best Buy, buy a Windows machine, a laptop or a normal desktop. They're going to get home and they're going to be like, what the hell is this? I thought this came with Windows. What is this? And it's going to be a nightmare. I have for today.